Hey everyone, Steve Perry here. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your home automation controller with a cloud platform and MQTT Broker. The cloud platform will be the IBM Cloud, and the MQTT Broker will be the Watson IoT Platform. Here's what we'll do. Create the Watson IoT Platform app that acts as the MQTT Broker, create a device type for the Raspberry Pi, register the Raspberry Pi, and create authentication credentials for it, and create an API key for the home automation controller so it can authenticate with the Watson IoT platform. This video accompanies part 3 of my IoT home automation tutorial series available at IBM developerWorks. A link to the tutorial series is in the video description. From the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner of the page, select Internet of Things. On the next screen, click the Create IoT Service button. You'll see the Internet of Things service offerings. Currently, there is only one for the Lite account, so click on Internet of Things Platform. Give your new IoT service a name such as Home Automation Cloud Platform. It takes a couple of minutes to create the application. When the application's been created, you'll see the Watson IoT Platform welcome screen. Click the Launch button to start your Watson IoT Platform dashboard. Click Browse to see all of the devices you've registered. Of course, you don't have any yet. Let's fix that. Click on Device Types. You can choose between Gateway and Device. Select a device type of Device. Give the device type a name such as Home Automation Controller along with a brief description. Click Next. You can enter lots of metadata about the device. Click Done to create the device type. Now let's register your Raspberry Pi as an IoT device. From the Browse tab, select Add Device. Select the device type for the new device. Give it an ID such as controller-1. Next, you can enter metadata for the device. My Raspberry Pi is a Model B, version 1.2. Click Next. You have two options for creating the device credentials. You can supply them yourself or let Watson IoT generate them for you. I recommend the latter. Click Next, then click Done. And this screen shows you the device credentials. It's very important that you keep this information in a safe place, like your password safe. Once you leave this screen, you'll not be able to recover the authentication token. That's it for device registration. Your Raspberry Pi is now set up, and you can use the Watson IoT platform as an MQTT broker to communicate securely with your applications. In order for your applications to use the Watson IoT platform as an MQTT broker to talk with IoT devices such as your Raspberry Pi, you need to generate credentials for those applications. These credentials consist of an API key and authentication token. Choose Apps from the menu and you'll see the Browse API Keys screen. Click Generate API Key. Give your API key a descriptive name such as Home Automation Controller API Key. The role is Device Application. Click Generate Key. Now your key has been generated. Keep the API key credentials someplace safe, like your password safe. Once you leave this screen, the authentication token is not recoverable. Your Raspberry Pi is set up and credentialed, and your home automation controller has an API key to authenticate it. In the next video in the series, I'll show you how to use Node-RED to create the home automation controller application that runs on the Raspberry Pi. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm Steve Perry. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. So long.